Good morning again, YouTube. This is it's about 7 o'clock in the morning, Saturday morning. I was expecting a nice quiet day today, but today I'm going to have to put a intermittent steering shaft in my 2008 Ford F150. I've been having a steering issue where when you try to turn your wheel, it would be like power steering, no power, power, no power, power. Check the fluid's good. Pretty sure the pump's working. Just recently put in a new serpentine belt and tensioner, so I'm pretty sure that's not slipping. Doing some research, I found out it could be this intermittent steering shaft. This is what it looks like right here. It seems like these U-joints here, over time in northern climates, tend to get stiff and lock up. They're probably just little needle bearings in there, and it don't take much to seize them up. As you see, I bought this from Rock Auto, about 50 bucks from Rock Auto, and about close to 300 if you go to your local auto store. So I would recommend getting it from Rock Auto or something like that. But we're going to put this in. Doesn't look like an overly difficult job. Alright. This is the shaft down in here. Right there. If you can see that. Right there with that U-joint on there. We're going to have to take it off of there. Take that bolt out. And then there's a bolt down in there. I don't have a good light today, so it's going to be real hard to get a good video here. And if you can see that down there, yeah, that right there. There's another bolt on there. I can't see where it is right now. All the way on the bottom there. I think if I turn that facing the radiator, I might be able to access that bolt a little bit better. Oh, actually, I do see the bolt right there on the side. It just might be in the right position for me to get to it. I might have lucked out and had it in exactly the right position there. But then I'm not sure if I need to go up underneath the truck to get to it, or if I can get to it from right up here. But that's what we're going to try to do. But we got to remove all this first, which isn't difficult. It's one 10mm bolt. So let's get to that. Okay, let's see what we got over here now. Alright, yeah, there's got a little bit better view of it right there. And I think I'm going to go for that bolt first, because it looks like it's going to be the bugger to get to, and if I get a good enough extension, I might be able to just reach down in there and get it. Put you in here, but I can't tell if you're going to see it. Okay, we got both bolts removed. We got this off. If you look right here, there's a detent where the bolt goes through. When the bolt goes through that collar, it's going to catch on there so that it cannot pull back out. So that's the purpose of that. You gotta make sure it's in the right position. And also, let's see if we can get this to come off of here. Okay, slide hammer it, and it's jammed, so I don't know if it moved or not. We'll try to slide hammer this out of here. But it's jammed, so best I can tell, it feels pretty free, but also have a lot of penetrating oil on it. Come on already. Alright, I think she's coming. Feels like it's coming, but I can't tell. Can't really see well enough to tell if it's actually coming up. Ah, shoot. The heck's up there. It's sliding to the point where it's locking up there. Yeah, so. Alright, so slide hammer didn't work because it pulled apart, so I'm going to have to try to drive that other piece off. That kind of tells me my problem would have been in there. Okay, there's no way to film from the bottom. Let's see if I can put you on it, see it. Maybe you can see what I'm doing from up here. Alright, that's the best I'm going to get. I don't know if you're going to see that or not, but we'll try to drive it up from behind the bottom there. Alright, so you can't see it from here, but there is a detent on the same, right here on this side here, towards the driver's side fender. I can barely see it myself, but that's where you're going to have to go on with your slide hammer. Your bolt's going to have to go through there. Alright, you got the lower end on. Just got to get this upper end on. Hopefully everything lines up fine. Hopefully everything's going to line up for me. Bolt should be in line here. That'll help get the steering wheel in. Kind of like getting a square peg in a square hole here. Haha. Getting this thing to move just enough where I need it. Okay, turn to the right. Slow, slow. A little more, a little more. That might be it. Hold it there. Jiggle a little bit back and forth. More than that. Alright, hold it there. Be nice if I could get my hands in there and see what I'm doing at the same time. Turn it slowly back and forth. Alright, bring it towards the right just a hair. Jiggle it. Hold on a minute. Alright, wait a minute. Turn it to the right. Oh, shoot. Alright. That's not a good thing. Okay, we got the shaft in. It's good. We'll have to take her out and try her and see what she does. Which is good. It only took about an hour. So, just got to put the cover back on and we're good to go. Okay, YouTube, we're going to take her out for a drive and just try testing her out and see how she feels. See if there's any difference. She already feels better just right here. So, let's see. Wheels are straight, okay. I was a little concerned about how it lined up. It looked like my wheel was going to be crooked, but it's running straight. So I thought maybe I could tell big difference already. Oh yeah, absolutely better. Much better. Oh, this is nice and smooth. This is the way it should be. So that was the problem. So we're back in business. Make a nice turn here. Oh yeah, it's nice and smooth on the hard turn. You can definitely feel the difference. Let's just take a little drive around the block and just get some scenic views here. It's a beautiful day. Might as well put some nice scenery in here.